Mimi's night-night time. She grinds her teeth. It's my siesta time, and Mimi's night-night time. She goes to sleep. Good night, Mimi. She goes to sleep at 6:30. Siesta time for me. Then she wakes up at 6:30 in the morning. I have to take her potty. She goes potty now in the toilet when I get up to go to the bathroom, and then she has to eat. She's hungry like me first thing in the morning. She sleeps like 12 hours. So she'll cuddle for a little bit, then I'll get up, and then she'll crawl into her bed, which is her playpen. Right? Otherwise she gets ornery if she doesn't crawl into bed around 6:30. She likes to cuddle for a little bit, just like Mommy, right? So cute. Good night. Say good night, Mimi. Night night. Aww. Good night kisses.